Alright folks, Jeff Carter here, and you're watching The Eyes of Owen on YouTube.
Owen, I love you too much. Huh? I love you long time. You will forget me.
I think the first thing I'm going to do is get some food from the little cafe at the end, which I used last time. It was alright. Now all this has changed. This is the beginning of Soy Sampan. It's like a new build. There's like little small lounges and massage shops and everything. And across there was a nice restaurant where that brown cloth is. Maybe that still is a restaurant, I don't know. I'll explore Soy Sampan when I've had a bit of food, because I'm feeling a little bit peckish. And it's no use when you're hungry. As they say, an army doesn't march on an empty stomach. Something like that. I might have got it wrong, but it's something similar to that, you know what I mean. So this is the little restaurant where we went last time. Good quality stuff. So I'll go in here. This restaurant is called the Good Corner, and when I was here last time I ate here around about 70% of the time. So I've ordered myself now a Massaman curry and rice and a Sprite. Curry was 165 baht. I don't know how much the rice is, maybe 20, and then the Sprite. So it'll be about 200 and odd baht for a nice decent meal. When I've been in here, I'll go down to Nutty Park, which is just at the left, have a look round there. Obviously now it'll be closed, but I'll just have a quick look round, see how many of the bars are still open, or if any of them have been boarded up, and then I shall head back to Soy Sampan and have a leisurely stroll down there this afternoon, enjoying a few meals. And then I will have a power nap later on, and then come out tonight and watch the Super Blues lift the Premier League trophy for the third time in a row. Look at that, this is a lovely Massaman chicken curry I'm having in Udon Thani at the Good Corner. It looks delicious. Let's get stuck into this. Ahead is the market, which I will have a look shortly, but I'm just going to walk through Nutty Park here and come back out at the restaurant where I've just eaten my food. So these bars they're all closed. I've just walked through. So all these units are closed at the moment, and nothing's shut down. What I mean by that is they're all operating units. It's just that it's the daytime and there's no customers and it's closed. So I'm going to walk through and show you. Right, so this is the back of Nutty Park, and let's see how many bars there are. Enough idea, I won't speak, I'll just count the bars. Sawadee Krap! So all these are open at night. I wouldn't say they'll be absolutely heaving, but there's enough going on, enough people. All playing different music, which adds to the atmosphere. I've been in not every one of them, but most of them. Now I met a girl on my last trip from this bar here, not this one, this one. I remember these long tables here. I'm sat right here. I met a girl and I met her a couple of times. Right mate, met her a couple of times, and she had a car and she offered to take me in a car to a few places. But I declined because I was always hungover and I didn't fancy travelling anywhere, being in a hungover state. Anyway, I kept in touch with her. I'd say over about 18 months, just chatting, and her ambition was to save enough money to start a nail shop. Has she done that? I don't know, because maybe after 18 months or so she just vanished from Facebook and whatever, and I've never seen her since or heard from her. But let's hope that she has. Now there's a hotel, UD Capital Hotel, in a good position. Across the road there is Cavanbury, another hotel in a good position. Near Soy Sampan, Nutty Park. We'll look down Soy Sampan in a bit. Oh, my me well, my I can sit down.
Okay.
Because in my shoe, my socks coming off.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. Oh, Thai video, okay? No, you stop over there then. I put this way.
Massage little bit.
Maybe later. How much for massage?
300 baht for 1 hour. Yeah.
Okay, I might come back. I just want to go look down and then come back.
Up there, massage.
Huh?
Lilavadi massage.
The shoe's falling apart.
Lilavadi massage.
You work here?
No, I work. Lilavadi massage.
Ah, Blue Lab, okay.
Okay.
ชื่ออะไรครับ
ชื่อน้
okay. ชื่อ Owen.
Owen.
Yeah, I will
You come backนะ
I will.
I want work.
Jing.
Okay.
I just want to look, because now
Okay.
I just eat. So in now now, I want to walk a bit.
Okay. นั่นนะลีลาวดีมาสาดนะ
Yeah.
นี่นะ
I know they're blue.
นี่ลีลาวดีมาสาด
ชื่ออะไรครับ Yes.
น้ำ water
Okay.
เออ
I forget because I'm old man. แก่แล้ว
แก่แล้ว นี่ดาริ่ง
Oh.
นี่
Yeah, I see.
Yeah.
Blue coral. Here.
Yeah.
Tina.
Yeah. Okay.
Nam.
Nam.
Sea shampoo. Okay, I will
Okay.
come back.
I come back นะ
Okay, bye bye.
You come back นะ
I will.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. That was Nam. Wanting a massage. I've just had me dinner. I don't want anybody rubbing about on me. Not for a bit. I'm going to have to walk back another way now. Oh, when you do half get yourself into a pickle. You had to take my shoe off because my insole had rolled up underneath the arch of my foot and it was doing my head in. Cheap shoes, you see, I bought, falling apart already. So here's a few little stalls, maybe a food stall. I've been in here before. But it's similar to the one in... She's following me. Bye now. Oh, pet mine. But she tries to get me to buy it. Alright now? Pet
ซื้อส้มต
Somtam. Banana. Ooh. Okay, I see you later. I go this way. Okay, Tata. I'm not being lured down there paying for some. Well, she'd never asked. I don't think she was asking, but. Nam. It must have been love, but it's over now. Bum, bum, bum. Oh, some shoes here. Are they second hand, this lot or not? Could do with some flip flops or something. Oh, the second hand then. Are they? Bum, bum, bum. Better than what I've got on. I think they're too small. Sorry, Cap. New? New?
I lost sign you.
Ah, okay, okay, thank you. It's not slightly new. Suppose means that they've been worn, doesn't it? Cleaned up. Or they might be seconds. Right, Owen, he's talking crap again. Right, this now is where I'm going to come one evening and do a bit of filming. I never bothered last time with the dot because he kept dragging me into them bars. And he always used to blame me. No, thank you. Right. Yeah, so this is the market apparently. It's quite nice in the evening. So I shall have a look around that one evening and do a little bit of exploring. And you've got your KFC, and then I think down there somewhere, if I can remember rightly, there's like a modern type food court. I forget the name of it, but I'm going to cross this road and go to the railway station and just have a look at the railway station, because it's very near the main area. Now I was chatting to a guy last night who, and I was told him I was coming. I said, why don't you go on the train? There was a train at 9:30. Well, I didn't know if I'd be up in time for that. I was, so I could have done it, but I decided to go on the bus. And then when I was sat in that nice aircon taxi, I thought, do I really want to get off and then sit on a bus and a journey that would probably take another half an hour, 45 minutes. Granted, it'd only been about 100 baht at the most, and I paid, I give him a tip, 1,300. Why do you give him a tip? Because I like to give a tip to people who deserve it. He was friendly all the way, chatting, polite, inquisitive, asking about England, asking about what I was doing, where I'd been, and I just give him a tip. So he was delighted as well. He was really happy with the 1,300. And when I was getting out of the car, he said, I love you. So yeah, made somebody happy, and that's good. So a few tuk-tuks here outside Udon Thani. Sartini Road 5, Udon Thani. So let's have a look inside. I don't know where you can go from Udon Thani. Possibly you can go to Nong Khai. Let's have a look. Right, let's have a look. Nakhon Ratchasima, Udon Thani. Oh, I could have gone from to Grungtep Apiwan. Could have gone there, but look how long it takes. Ooh, a long day, a long time that. 8 hours, 9 hours. Yeah, too long. So this is a little station at Udon Thani. I like train travel in Thailand, I do, but it's a little bit slow. Nice and tranquil. Do I regret missing my Chiang Mai to Bangkok overnight? I booked the train and then decided to fly, and I don't know, possibly it would have been an experience that I'd never had before, but there's always next time. Always next time. Right, Owen, turn this off for a while and let's head down and have a look. Somewhere else.
Why you want to make me do?